Abdul Traders, importers and stockists since 1980s, providing the best linear bearing solutions for textile, sugar, steel, printing, automotive industry and latest high-tech machinery. Representing Meiyate brand as sole agent and national distributors in Pakistan. Vast range of sizes and economical price is our advantage. Elevated accuracy, high precision, best quality, eminent load carrying capacity, paramount material, finest outlook and smooth linear rotation is specialty of our products. A highly trained technical staff is round the clock available to provide you best services. You may visit our website for details or find us on WhatsApp for technical queries. Abdul Traders, your perfect mechanical and linear partners.